In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Dropbox with DaVinci Resolve by installing the Dropbox desktop app. This straightforward process allows you to easily access and manage your project files directly from your computer, making your editing workflow smooth and efficient. First things first, let's delve into installing the Dropbox desktop application. The Dropbox app is a handy tool that creates a special folder on your PC, bridging the gap between your local storage and cloud storage. To get started, go to the Dropbox website and download the desktop app. Follow the on-screen instructions for installation. They are quite user-friendly, guiding you step by step. Once installed, and after signing in with your Dropbox account details, you will see a dedicated Dropbox folder appear on your computer. This folder acts as a direct conduit to your online Dropbox storage, displaying all the files and folders you've synced. It's like having a direct line from your computer to the cloud, enabling real-time updates and easy access. Now that you've created this connection, you'll want to place any project or video files you're working on inside this Dropbox folder on your computer. Simply drag and drop these files into the folder and watch them sync automatically with your online storage, allowing access from any device you're logged into. Having set up your Dropbox folder, it's time to open DaVinci Resolve. Fire up the software and navigate to the top menu bar where you'll find File. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From there, you'll see the option labeled Import Project. Selecting this option will prompt a file window to appear. In this file window, your computer's directories are displayed. Here's the part where your Dropbox folder is crucial. Scroll through your directory in the file window and you will see Dropbox as one of the listed folders. This integration is seamless and lets you access your files without the hassle of opening a web browser. Click into your Dropbox folder where you'll find all of your synced project files. Navigate through the folder to select the specific project file you wish to load into DaVinci Resolve. Once selected, the project will open within the software, ready for you to continue editing. This straightforward process eliminates multiple steps by allowing direct importing from Dropbox, ensuring your projects are always synced, secure, and easily accessible. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, we've gone from setting up Dropbox on your computer to importing a project into DaVinci Resolve. Combining these powerful tools not only optimizes your workflow, but also ensures your projects are always safely stored in the cloud, offering both flexibility and peace of mind. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this guide boosts your productivity and enhances your editing experience.